Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen. Cheers.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Oh, big game tonight for the Super Blues. Real Madrid, Champions League semi-final, second leg. 1-1 so far. If City can win, they're in the Champions League final. As you can see, my room needs tidying. I've got clothes and everything laid everywhere. But never mind, because I'm having a great time. A little bit cloudy out there, but it's been absolutely red hot. Is that recording? So we are on site Buakau. Here we coming past the #1 bar. That's what I put it on for. Yeah, I know you. It's up to you how you handle this. She's not seen you. No.ผมต้องการคุณถ่ายวิดีโอได้ไหมครับได้ถ่ายจะสวยนะช้าๆใช่ไหมไปโอ้ดูมันนี่ดีนะ like this ช้าๆดีไหมโอเคไหมโอเคโอเคโอเคโอเค that's it don't get carried away like you're a film star film star อะไร yeah hello where are we M&M Bar on site 11 in Pattaya. We're having a few beers. Busy in here, and they've got a promotion in the bar where if you buy a number of drinks,
8 small or large, you mix and match.
You get a little stamp there, and you get a free drink. Cheap beer. How much is a beer in here?
59 baht start.
59 baht start.
79 for large.
79 for large. You can't beat that. There's a few other bars around. It's in a nice decent place. So get yourself down here. M&M, loyalty card. Just come out and chill out. There's a few ladies in here. You can play pool. What more do you want in Pattaya? Wait a minute. plans.
We don't stick to a plan.
You can't stick to a fucking plan here.
You can't stick to a
Right.
plan.
Should be alright. Bit wobbly. Now then, cheers. Where are we?
Cheers.
We're on Sorbicao. We still haven't had a massage because we keep getting sidetracked in Pattaya.
Catching up with old friends.
Met 2 subscribers. Dragged in for a beer. Been to see Mark at M&M Bar on Soy 11. Cracking bar. Cheap as chips, wasn't it? Yeah. Now talking about chips, we're getting some chips. I'm getting fish and chips here. And the rabadab-dab.
I'm getting a piece of pork
Piece of pork.
for my tea.
And when we've done that, we don't know what we're going to do because we had plans to go for a massage, but you just can't make plans.
But the night is still young, so one never knows.
Yeah.
Just don't never know.
You make a plan in your head. We was going to get a massage about 1 o'clock and it's now 7:15.
Word of advice, do not stick to a plan.
But can you put that frog here? I want Thai video now, we can.
Ribbit.
Okay, thank you. Frog?
Right.
Oh, thank you, Tom.
Yes, sir. We're still switched on.
Yeah. Sort of. Well, say what you want to say, it's alright.
No, I'm just saying that we've had a good day again, and the night's still young. What happens on the mile stays on the mile. Nobody's going to find out. Sworn to secrecy. I know you're going to enjoy yourselves, but you've got to find it for yourselves as well.
I'm surprised how busy it is in low season. It's alright, it's really good. It's really good. People in the past said Pattaya's finished. There's no way it's finished. I think it's having a resurgence. And you try saying resurgence when you've had 8 beers. There's a newbie in Pattaya. It's using the liner.
But I'm only here for a fortnight, so I'm going to try everything.
Yeah,
Simple.
So he's been using his line app, getting contact details, and then tapping away.
If I can get the feedback, you can.
Yeah. So that's the way to do it. The line app. They're willing to give you the line apps, and then you can like talk to them privately, and it's an option to maybe meet them and bypass the BF and that sort of thing, because the BFs are ridiculously high.
Push them out. That should be easy.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden we don't let them down. You've got no business there. So if somebody else comes with a boyfriend and tries to you, you're not being nasty like that. You've got to look at all options, haven't you? You're running a business and it starts off with nothing.
Oh, alright, mate.
That's what she says. Every
I like this, I like the pork chop.
bit of gravy on it. Soaks it in.
The Rab has ordered a nice pork chop, onions, peas and fries.
Piece of pork.
Thank you very much, Pilar.
No,
And I've got fish and chips and bigger fries. Different size fries, look at that.
yeah, but
Is that chip shop fries, these?
they're chip shop fries.
Yeah. So yeah. It's peas and sale out of tin, but there you go. Time for a massage, yeah?
Roasted chicken.
นั่นแหละเอาแล้วอย่างนี้ได้เรียกว่า
Why you won't make me
ก
you?
ริลไงต้องเข้าใจว่ากริลคือ